Let's face it, folks. Gone are the days of newspaper ads and cardboard signs. The real estate landscape has evolved dramatically over the past decade. Traditional marketing methods are no longer sufficient to capture the attention of today's tech-savvy buyers and sellers. We're living in a digital age, and your real estate business needs to reflect that. Embracing digital tools and platforms is no longer optional. It's essential for staying competitive. From virtual tours to online listings, the digital realm offers endless opportunities to showcase properties in innovative ways. Social media isn't just for sharing vacation pics anymore. It's a powerful tool to connect with potential clients, build your brand, and ultimately sell more properties. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn allow you to reach a broader audience and engage with them in real time. Think about it. Millions of people are scrolling through their feeds every single day. That's a gold mine of potential buyers and sellers just waiting to discover you. By leveraging social media, you can tap into this vast audience and turn casual browsers into serious clients. But here's the catch, you need to grab their attention. And that's where a killer social media strategy comes in. It's about creating eye-catching content that stands out in a crowded feed and crafting messages that resonate with your target audience. It's not enough to just post listings and hope for the best. You need to be strategic, engaging, and consistent. Regularly updating your content, interacting with your followers, and providing valuable insights can set you apart from the competition. You need to provide value, build relationships, and position yourself as the go-to expert in your market. This means sharing tips, answering questions, and being a reliable source of information for your audience. That's how you stand out from the crowd and dominate the digital real estate game. By mastering the art of digital marketing, you can transform your real estate business and achieve unprecedented success. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Each platform has its own unique characteristics and serves different purposes. Each one has its own unique strengths and audience. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective marketing. You wouldn't use a hammer to build a house, would you? Just like you wouldn't use a single social media platform for all your marketing needs, the same goes for social media. Each platform is a tool in your marketing toolbox, and you need to know when and how to use each one. You need the right tool for the job. Selecting the appropriate platform can make a significant difference in your marketing efforts. Facebook is the king of reach. With its vast user base, it's an excellent platform for broad outreach and engagement. With billions of users, it's the perfect place to cast a wide net and connect with a broad audience. It's ideal for building brand awareness and driving traffic to your website. Instagram is all about visuals. It's a platform where high-quality images and videos shine. High-quality photos and videos are key to showcasing properties and attracting buyers. It's perfect for visually driven industries like real estate, fashion, and food. LinkedIn is your professional playground. It's the go-to platform for B2B marketing and professional networking. Connect with other industry professionals, build your network, and establish yourself as a thought leader. Share industry insights, company updates, and professional achievements. Twitter is all about real-time conversations. It's a fast-paced platform where timely updates and quick interactions are key. Use it to share market updates, engage with followers, and stay top of mind. It's great for customer service, news sharing, and live event coverage. Remember, you don't need to be on every platform. Spreading yourself too thin can dilute your efforts and reduce effectiveness. Choose the ones that align with your target audience and business goals. Focus on where your potential clients are most active. Focus your efforts where it matters most, and you'll see the best results. By strategically selecting your platforms, you can maximize your impact and achieve your marketing objectives. We're all busy people. Between showings, open houses, and paperwork, who has time to manage their social media? That's where automation comes in. It's like having a personal assistant for your social media, working tirelessly 24/7. Imagine scheduling posts in advance, so you don't have to worry about it every single day. Think about automatically sharing your latest listings across multiple platforms with just a few clicks. That's the power of automation. But it's not just about saving time. Automation also helps you be more consistent with your posting schedule. Consistency is key to staying top of mind and building a loyal following. And a loyal following translates into more leads, more referrals, and ultimately more closed deals. AI isn't just some futuristic concept from a sci-fi movie. It's a powerful tool that's already here, revolutionizing various industries, including real estate. It's here, and it's changing the real estate game as we speak. Real estate agents are now leveraging AI to gain a competitive edge. AI-powered tools can help you create personalized content, target the right audience, and streamline your marketing efforts. These tools can even predict market trends with remarkable accuracy. Think about it. AI can analyze data about your target audience, like their demographics, interests, and online behavior. This means you can understand your audience better than ever before. Then, it uses that information to create highly targeted content that's more likely to resonate with them. Imagine the impact of content that speaks directly to your audience's needs and desires. Imagine sending out personalized property recommendations to potential buyers based on their specific preferences. This level of personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. Or what about creating targeted ad campaigns that reach the right people at the right time? AI ensures your ads are seen by those most likely to be interested. That's the power of AI. It's transforming how we approach marketing and customer engagement. It's like having a personal marketing assistant working behind the scenes, tirelessly analyzing data and optimizing strategies, helping you optimize your efforts and get the most out of your social media marketing. With AI, your marketing becomes smarter, more efficient, and incredibly effective. Not everything should be automated, of course. You still need that personal touch to build relationships and close deals. But there are plenty of tasks you can automate to free up your time and focus on what matters most. Think about your listings. You can automate the process of sharing new listings across all your social media platforms. Include high-quality photos, a compelling description, and a call to action. Boom! You've just reached a wider audience without lifting a finger. But it's not just about listings. Share market updates, local news, and neighborhood insights. Become the go-to source of information for your community. People are more likely to trust and work with someone who's in the know.